Hello everyone, this is Monica. Today I'm just going to represent a process which we follow to log an issue into the CMC. So basically this is our CMC, and first of all we just need one dummy story to create any issue. So for logging any issue we should have one story. So let's suppose this is our dummy story, and here uh, we have the stories description and everything. So here we have few related lists, and we can see one related list is issues. So if you want to directly log an issue in CMC, then you just need to go through this new issue tab, and as you can see that if the story is like, if you just want to test that the story is related to the data, right? And if you found the issue that the data is not available, then you can just give the name on the issue that found data is not available. Okay, and then in this case we have the different defect types value here. Like if the data is missing, then the value should be data. If there is any functional issue, like some functionality is not working, and user is not able to create the account like that, then this should be the functional issue. And like if there is any UI cosmetic and like any buttons, any link related issue, then we can assign the UI cosmetic. Other are just related to the validation and workflow issues. So we can just select the defect type from this pick list. So let's suppose for this demo I am just selecting the data as a defect type, and the status for a new issue is always should be new. We have a following values here, but whenever we are logging a issue, it should be a new state. It should be in the new status, and the defect detected by the user who is logging the issue. So currently this is me, and we have a lookup here where we can search our contact name. So this is the user who is logging the issue. Detected date is the today's date whenever we are logging the issue. Okay, so the severity says the issue is like if we are blocked and we are unable to proceed on the functionality, then it will be a blocker issue. And if it's impacting the other functionality, the issue is impacting the other functionality, and it's something is breaking down, then it will be a critical issue. And the major if the functionality is really important and which is breaking right now, it will be a major issue. And minor is like if we have any field missing or like the UI issues and all. And enhancement issues we generally log in the UAT phase where the client gives us the any enhancement, so it would be always an enhancement issue. Okay, for now I am just selecting this as a minor issue because it's my data issue, and because I feel that as per the story, for me this is the minor issue, so I'm just selecting this as minor. Yeah, so the environment, now we have environment, and this is always the org in which we are performing our testing. For now, let's say if we are like, for me it's a sandbox executive QA, so I'll just write it QA. If we are performing testing in dev, then it will be the dev sandbox, and if we are performing testing in UAT, so it will be the UAT sandbox. So the environment is always a sandbox name. Okay, screen capture is the demo to the issue where we are breaking, like just to show that for example, like I'm in the QA org and I just want to log an issue around the records and fields, so I'll just capture it by any app, and I will attach a link to the video or the screenshot in this screenshot. Okay, so this is the demo video link. Okay, so now steps to reproduce is the detailed description of the issue, where like how we will navigate the user to reproduce our issue. Okay, so for me it's just log into the SFDC as searcher. Then second step is just go to the account. Okay, then third step is select the record type, company. Then fourth step is select the or let's say if we just want to check the accounts data, then just for me it's just go to the accounts list view and list view, and then check the account records are available. Alright, so these are the following steps which will help the developer to reproduce the issue. So now we come to the expected result is always whatever we are expecting, like account data should be migrated. Okay, and actual result is that we don't have the account data, so we can mention that account data is not migrated or available, whatever we feel. Okay, this is the expected result. In the additional information, you can just provide the link of your records on which you perform testing, or you can provide the other information which you feel this should be mentioned in the issue and which will help the developer to reproduce the issue. So you can always mention some additional information in this section. Okay, so now it's always important to mention the sprint in the issue, otherwise we won't be able to track the issue in the reports if we want assign any sprint to this issue. So let's suppose for me I am testing in sprint 1, so this is the sprint 1 issue, and QA owner will be same as the detected user. So if detected by if this issue is detected by me, then the QA owner will be me, and so this is fine. And dev owner, you can assign the dev owner who is the stories owner. So for now the story owner is Rohit Mathur, so I am assigning this issue to him, and tech reviewer can always be a Rohit Mathur or so ever. So this is all about the major information which we need to fill into the issue, and you can always mention the browser and the other details. So as I am just showing you the demo, so I am currently not assigning it to, I'm just selecting those values. Okay, after saving, after entering all the data, we can always save the issue. Okay, so let's suppose we got the issue number, right? Now when you go back to your story, you will always be able to see the issue in the related list here. So this is how we can maintain all the issue on a single story. Okay, here we have the following status of the issues, like the new, if the issue is new, and if the developer will fix the issue, it will be in the ready for QA for the QA, and for the UAT users it will be the ready for UAT. So this is the all process which we follow to log an issue. Thank you.